just in there. That is a nightingale, a male nightingale singing its heart out in Thanet. I'm in Thanet. This is probably the only place in Thanet you'll see nightingales. I can just see him through there, just picking out. It's a little brown bird. Not that exciting to look at, but the song is absolutely incredible. And he's singing his heart out in there, trying to attract a passing female coming over. And it's a bird that's in severe decline. And every spring I make it my mission to listen to nightingales as much as possible, because they don't sing for long. And if they're lucky enough to find a mate, they stop singing. And the population, the name is common nightingale, but sadly they're not common anymore. The population is actually sort of moving down towards the southeast as it declines, so we're one of the strongholds for nightingales, but still they are very rare. Now there's no bird that sings quite like a nightingale, that speed and ferociousness. It's really quite something to hear. And where I am is in the middle of a load of scrubland. Scrubland is their favourite habitat. And I've hiked out here of an evening. It's a nice clear evening. So I've hiked out here. You really have to put the effort in to find this bird. Do make sure you hear a nightingale if you've never heard one before. Get out there. One of the best places is West Sussex at the Knepp farm, the Knepp Wildland estate. You will hear nightingales there all day long. It's absolutely incredible. But as you can see, I'm having to mission it through a load of scrub. And this nightingale will head off to Africa on its winter migration, and this one probably come back here and probably sings from exactly the same perches that it did last year. So there you go. That's quite something. Now I could put loads of effort in, but to get good video of this if I really tried, but it's dark. And I kind of think sharing these kind of experiences with you where I'm out and about, exploring, trying to find these things, makes it that little bit more special. So I just hope that picks up very well on my microphone. Cheers guys. Be wild.